How to grow and care for Tradescantia Nanouk. Tradescantia albiflora Nanouk. Tradescantia and Nanouk, also known as Fantasy Venice, is a stunning and vibrant houseplant, known for its thick fleshy leaves with pink, purple, green, and white stripes. It's a relatively easy to care for, a plant that adds a pop of color to any indoor space. Here is how to grow and care for it. Growing and Care Guide for Tradescantia and Nanouk. 1. Light requirements. Ideal light: bright, indirect light is best for Tradescantia and Nanouk. It needs plenty of light to maintain its vibrant colors. Low light: it can tolerate lower light, but the colors may fade and growth may slow down. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. To watering frequency. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Tradescantia and Nanouk prefers slightly moist soil, but can tolerate short periods of drought. Overwatering. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Ensure the pot has drainage holes. Signs of overwatering: yellowing leaves or mushy stems. Signs of underwatering: wilting or dry crispy leaves. 3. Soil type: use a well-draining lightweight potting mix. A mix of peat moss, perlite, and compost works well. Drainage: ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water logging. For temperature and humidity. Temperature: keep the plant in a warm environment, ideally between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts or temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius humidity. Tradescantia in Nanouk thrives in moderate to high humidity, 50 to 70%. Use a humidifier: mist the leaves, or place the plant on a humidity tray with pebbles and water. 5. Fertilizing frequency. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced diluted liquid fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can cause leaf burn or reduce the plant's vibrant colors. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Pruning: regularly prune to encourage bushy or growth and maintain the plant's shape. Tinge back the stems to promote branching. Cleaning: wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them looking vibrant. 7. Repotting. When repot every 1 to 2 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Pot size: choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. A propagation. Tradescantia and Nanouk is easy to propagate. Cut a stem with at least 1 note and a few leaves, and place it in water or soil. Roots will develop in a few weeks. Benefits of Tradescantia and Nanouk. Aesthetic appeal: the vibrant pink, purple, green, and white striped leaves add a splash of color and visual interest to any indoor space. Air purification. Like other houseplants, Tradescantia and Nanouk helps improve indoor air quality by filtering out toxins. Low maintenance, while it requires some care. Tradescantia and Nanouk is relatively easy to grow and maintain, making it suitable for beginners. Versatility. It can be grown in hanging baskets, on shelves, or as a trailing plant, offering versatile decorating options. Stress reduction. Like all houseplants, Tradescantia and Nanouk can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being by bringing nature indoors. Pet-friendly with caution. Tradescantia and Nanouk is mildly toxic if ingested by pets. Keep it out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Secrets to a thriving indoor Tradescantia and Nanouk. Maximize light exposure. Provide bright, indirect light to maintain the plant's vibrant colors. Too little light can cause the colors to fade. Avoid overwatering. Tradescantia and Nanouk is sensitive to overwatering. Always check the soil moisture before watering. And ensure proper drainage. Boost humidity. Higher humidity levels help the plant thrive, especially in dry indoor environments. Use a humidifier or mist the leaves regularly. Rotate the plant. Rotate the plant every few weeks to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light source. Monitor for pests. While Tradescantia Nanouk is generally pest-resistant, keep an eye out for spider mites, aphids and mealybugs. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prune regularly. Regular pruning encourages bushy or growth and prevents the plant from becoming leggy. It also helps maintain the plant's shape and appearance. Use a well-draining soil mix. A well-draining soil mix prevents waterlogging and root rot, which are common issues with Tradescantia and Nanouk. Avoid cold drafts. Keep the plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners or heaters, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. By following these care tips and understanding the benefits, you can enjoy your thriving Tradescantia and Nanouk that not only enhances your indoor space, but also contributes to a healthier and more beautiful living environment. Its vibrant colors and easy care nature make it a standout addition to any plant collection or